In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money online. I have 3 tips of exactly what you can do to start making money from home, from your computer, and at your own time. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you can. It just takes 5 seconds of your time and I would really appreciate it. So let's talk about more of how you can start making money online. The first thing I would do, the first strategy would be affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing it's on every main website, and this is something that you can easily do, sign up for, and you can start making a really good commission and you don't need any money to start. That's what I love about this whole business model of affiliate marketing, is that you can actually start today and all you have to do is post basically videos and promote the brand, and each company offers you a different affiliate rate. So let's say Amazon usually offers around 3% of the sales of the product, but there are really good websites out there that offer a very good commission rate just for a sign up. For example, Fiverr actually has a great affiliate rate. This is a platform where people do services for other people and they pay $30 for every person that you sign up. Of course, it's different for different gigs and stuff like that, but this just gives you an example of the potential you could be making with affiliate marketing. I personally made a trademark video of how I was able to trademark my logo. I used an affiliate link, and I made that video 3 years ago, and still as of today, I'm still making passive income from the affiliate link that I used in the past. So affiliate marketing is a great tool. You don't need any money to start, and you can really scale a business. So on every main website, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, you name it, you can sign up. You can sign up as an affiliate market. All you have to do is usually scroll down to the end of the website. They'll have affiliate links down there. All you have to do is click it, sign up. It's free to do, and you can start making money passively. All you have to do is promote whatever you're trying to promote, and you just have to get creative with it. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money, especially if you don't have any money to start with. The second method I'm going to be talking about is what I do full-time. It's how I make a full-time income and how I'm able to work from home and work on my own schedule and basically do what I want most of the time. So what I do is sell on Amazon full-time. It's how I make a living, and it's how I'm able to work on my own terms. So it did take me a long time, but I'm currently making over $1 million in sales as of this year, and currently around a little over $2,000 profit every day. It did take me a long time to get here, but after year, Amazon's growing and you can expand to different countries, even if you're in the United States. So it's a great business concept. Of course, there's a lot of things to learn when selling on Amazon, and you're gonna need to invest in the product as well. But Amazon is an amazing business to get into if you do it right and if you learn the whole process. I do have a free beginner course if you're ever interested in selling on Amazon. It's gonna be in the description down below. Absolutely free, there's no credit card needed. All you have to do is sign up, and you're able to see the beginner course, and you can see if it's right for you and if it's not right for you. I also have a more advanced course, of course, if you wanna take that next step and you wanna expand your knowledge and make it a full-time income. But sign up for the free beginner course. It's absolutely free and it takes no money, no effort. You can see if it's right for you or if you want to pass. So Amazon is a great source of income because when I ship my products to Amazon's warehouse, Amazon pretty much does the rest for me. They pack it, they ship it, they deliver it to the customer. And the third method I recommend you to make money is doing freelance work. Freelance work, you don't need any money to start up. And there's Fiverr and then there's Upwork. Both of these allow you to provide services to anybody that needs those services. We all have things that we like to do and we're really good at. It doesn't matter what it is. We all have those passions, and maybe you could put those passions into making money. So if maybe you're good at math, you could help people with math. If you're good at video games, there's even people that teach people how to get better at video games. There's possibilities are endless when it comes to this. People are always searching what they need. You can even do graphic design as well if you're good at Photoshop, help people with logos. All the possibilities are endless. If you want to sign up for the freelance, you can always, it's going to be in the description down below. You can check it out, see if it's right for you. And the best thing about providing services is that you don't need any money to start. You can start right away. You could even be a virtual assistant for somebody. All of this is a great opportunity to make money online, even at home and in your own time. You could be your own boss working at home, and you can create a long-term business. One of the most common ways to make money online that I personally don't recommend, and I've been selling and making money online my whole entire life. I literally started from eBay all the way to Amazon. The one thing that I really don't recommend is drop shipping. A lot of people talk about drop shipping as being a very successful business, and personally, it's one of the worst business models you could get into. Why? It's because drop shipping is not a long-term business, because what you're really doing is just hustling people when it comes to selling products. What I mean by this is that the main concept of drop shipping is having the product, never having the product on hand. So you make an online store, and when the person buys the product online, you get it from China and you ship it to the customer. Usually the customer doesn't know it's coming from China. You make a nice website, they think it's coming from your house, and usually they really get, for the most part, a shitty product. And they wait over a month for that product. And that's the bad thing about this whole business concept, is that you're gonna have customers constantly complaining of, where's my package? I've been waiting over a month for my package. You're gonna get credit card chargebacks. Shopify is gonna close your store, especially if you get a lot of credit card chargebacks. Trust me, I've done e-commerce, I've sold online my whole life. I worked from home and worked on my own business my whole life. Drop shipping is a scam. It's one of the worst business models to get into. So the three best ones I personally would recommend is affiliate marketing, Amazon, and freelance service. These are my top 3 ideas when making money online. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Like this video if you can, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.